Let's take a look at what's in this box. This is a medical first aid kit. You can store some household daily necessities, but it's just a storage box. Then take a look, just one more sign, nothing. I'll stick it on. To be honest, this logo can be bought separately. Then buy another one you like. This storage box. At first I was going to buy iron boxes, but then I found this acrylic one. This transparent case is more suitable. You can see what's inside at a glance. This is a little hard to tear. Hey, it's not for sticking at all. Is it fake? Do you still need to find your own glue? Fine. If only this could come with double-sided tape. Okay. This video is this.